What's up, guys? I realize you haven't seen my face in a lot of these things. Probably a good thing, though. Not too handsome. Anyways, welcome to the video for 1.5.1. That assignment, anyways. This is where we're going to start to talk a little bit about To Kill a Mockingbird, which is the book we're going to read. It's by Harper Lee. To Kill a Mockingbird. This is one of the most famous books ever written. Some of you might have read it. If so, it should be no problem reading it again. If you haven't read it, don't worry. It isn't too bad. In fact, I think you'll probably like it. I haven't had too many students tell me they didn't like it. Actually, I'm not sure I've had anybody at all tell me that. So don't be nervous. Dive in. See why it is one of the most important books ever written. On to the assignments. As you see here in the instruction tab for 1.5, you will read To Kill a Mockingbird. That's in the next unit, however. However, for this assignment, you are going to read a very short passage from the book. As you read, you will want to pay close attention to the bullet points there. This section, what you're going to read is about Jim and Scout and their first meeting with Dill. Jim and Scout are brother and sister in the book To Kill a Mockingbird. Dill is this little guy who is one of their acquaintances. So read this real brief snippet, and then when you're done, go on to the assignment tab for 1.5.1. Now in the assignment tab, notice the first paragraph. Read it. Read it twice. It's important. It's asking you to incorporate quotes into your answers when doing literature or poetry or whatever. The reason you want to do this is because it backs up what you say. This is super important. You're going to be asked to do this a lot in this class. Then below it, you will see the snippet from the story is placed there again. See the first question there about Dill. Make sure you answer all of the questions that it is looking for. Be descriptive and thorough. Then include your quote. Remember what we talked about just a second ago about using quotes to enhance your answer. And please make sure you use your quotation marks when quoting the story. Here's the second question. Again, notice multiple questions there for you to answer, and also the need to put in a quote. And again, use quotation marks. It is a must. And on to the third and final question. Be specific here. Don't just tell me it happened a long, long time ago. Give me a time period. The 1500s, the 1900s, 2 days ago, and give me a place where you think it occurred. I don't care if you get it exactly right. I want to see your effort and your reasoning for why you thought what you did. And that's it. Easy assignment, but it's doing a couple things here. Number one, it's teaching us how to answer questions using quotes and how that backs up our answers. And then number two, it's also introducing us to the book To Kill a Mockingbird. Here is Jim, Scout, and Dill from one of the movies they made about To Kill a Mockingbird. I'm going to guess you guys all just still dress like this, right? All have those same kinds of clothes. Just in case you know, this is how I dress. Pretty cool, huh? Actually, who am I kidding? This is probably what I look like. Oh well, enough about my wardrobe. Get to work. As usual, shoot me an email. Let me know if you have any questions. See you guys.